Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. On the QNT chart, a few weeks ago, we had quite a bit of a rally here, but it was all within the limits of our range. So as already indicated back then, there was no reason to vibrate out of your chairs yet. And so far, this has been the correct decision. I think the best approach here, if you're a range trader, you can just simply trade the range. You can use a grid bot maybe. Yeah, we have a very well-defined range between the area, support area between $95 and $102. This is the lower boundary support and the $120 resistance level. Anything that happens in between is not really to be seen with too much excitement, I think. Yes, you can get some green candles, absolutely, but they typically would, well, from here, at least so far, they haven't been sustainable in terms of creating a long-term uptrend or anything. They have only been corrective rallies. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. We see it in a bit more detail. As already explained in the last videos, I still see the rallies here as corrective, and I see the current move up as a B wave, which could result in a sell-off in wave C of wave 3. So then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5 to complete this entire correction. This would be ideal. And ideally, I'm looking for the area around $80 as a target. Few reasons for that. First of all, the structure here doesn't really suggest that a low is in place. All the rallies have been 3-wave structures, and that typically makes one more low likely. Typically, in such a complex correction like this one that I'm counting as a WXY structure, the Y wave typically would end below the wave W low, and that was at $94. So typically, we would expect another low below that. And this assumption stands until price proves us wrong and shows us that we have to change our perspective. The beauty of Elliott Wave is it tells us when to change our perspective, and that would be just around the $120 mark. That is also structural resistance. If we break above that level in an impulsive fashion, happy to call the low in place, but at the moment, it's just not there yet. Okay, and I haven't got any evidence that the low is in place because, and that's the third reason, price hasn't really been able to move away from that support. It's like a magnet, and my target is still $80. That would be ideal. But we need to get a break below support at $94, $95 to really confirm that. I think below that level, the selling pressure is starting to increase. We can also add the VRVP volume profiles here. You can clearly see that below that $94 level, first of all, we reacted to that level several times. I mean, it's not only that $94. I said to you, $94 to $102. It's a structural support level range. Below that level, however, the historical volume is really fading, and there's an insufficiency there that could bring price down to that next Fibonacci support level at $80. So we need to remain patient here with QNT. It's really testing our patience. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.